person's account to another person's account. Now, we all had the common and most common cases last time, the other of Equity Bank. Equity Bank has been one of the biggest money fraudsters, or the biggest bank money fraudsters, where people have complained time and time again that their money has been transferred from their bank accounts to let's say different entities like schools or to different people, and therefore they cannot get their money back. Diamond Trust Bank, which is DTB Bank, Absa Bank, have also been culprits of this case. So what does the law say? If we can establish that this is wire transfer fraud or money fraud, then there you can take the following steps. Number one, please try and engage with the bank. Ask them that indeed, if you receive a debit alert that my money was transferred from let's say housing finance to, let's say, London Metropolitan University. Try and engage with the bank. Tell them that, you know what, I have evidence here that I've just received an alert that 20 million has been transferred from my account. What do you have to say about it? If the bank goes ahead and says, let us investigate, give them that time. Usually they ask for 2 weeks to 3 weeks. If they indeed try and investigate and nothing is done, try and tell them that, you know what, if indeed I did not get my money, I'm going to take legal action. I'm going to seek legal redress from the courts of law. The legal steps are this. Number one, you can do what is called a demand notice, which is also a notice of intention to sue. If you have been engaging with the bank and they're not doing anything about your situation, you've tried telling them that, you know what, I want my money back, and they're not doing anything about it, send them a demand notice, which is a notice of intention to sue. You can do this with the help of a lawyer. The lawyer will help you to do a notice of intention to sue, and therefore we shall give them 14 days to respond. If within 14 days they do not either do any sort of action to transfer your money back onto your account or do further investigation so that the money is brought back onto your account, then there we shall file what's called a notice of motion, and therefore we shall file a civil suit in the courts of law for recovery of monies. Now, if, let's say, back to the example of 20 million was transferred from your account illegally and still it's not coming back, then we shall come up with what's called a plaint. Then we shall sue the bank, either what is called DTB Bank, Diamond Housing Finance Bank, Stanbic Bank. We shall now take them to either the Magistrates Court or the High Court, because the High Court, according to the Judicature Act, has unlimited jurisdiction to try all cases. So therefore we shall sue them in the courts of law. Please, just be sure that fraud is something that we can sue either a microfinance institution for, or most importantly a bank, because banks are what hold our money, and therefore please do not suffer in silence. Know that these banks can be sued in the courts of law, and we should not give them leeway to play around with people's money. Well, until next time, my name is truly Terry Kahuma. Please let me know what I should talk about in my future legal tips videos. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye bye.